myself here and move myself here, it is going to detect only if I am looking into the camera. Hi, so today in today's time, AI is taking almost all of our jobs, and to prevent that, we need to learn AI. Okay, and today I'm here to teach you guys about some AI facts. The beginner guide. I'm also not a very top-notch AI engineer, but I'm doing it for like quite a time. Around 1 year, I'm working with a AI company, and today I'm going to teach you guys about how to. I'm not going to teach you today's about how to train your data, but I'm going to use how to use pre-trained data, okay, with a valid use case, and yeah. So to do that, there is a very important repository in the AI community, and in today's terms, one of the most important things, important repositories that we can have, which is OpenCV. It has almost 75k stars. You can see how much it has been grown. It has 55.6k forks, which is quite large. And and today I'm going to use the pre-trained data provided by OpenCV itself. Okay, I'm not going to use GPU. I'm going to use CPU to calculate the models, to calculate the data, to use the pre-trained data and calculate the outputs. So I'm going to use this thing called Haar Cascade. Haar Cascade is a pre-trained. Let's see what is Haar Cascade. So Haar Cascade is a machine learning based approach where a lot of positive and negative images are used to train the classifier. The meaning is that, in simple terms, is that it is a type of a data. It is a type of a pre-trained model which has a lot of positive and negative integers to classify certain objects, subjects like images, texts, audio files, etc. But in this case, it is image, and then to use the classified information, and we can get to know that how to render them. So how to get the output. So today I'm going to teach you about. I'm going to use this model called. Let's use this. So Haar Cascade I3, meaning that. So meaning that I'm going to teach you about how to use AI to generate to know how to know about certain image parts. Let's say to capture the image and get to know about facial features like image, nose, and faces, etc. That's the only thing we're going to do that right now. Okay, so let's get started. I have already prepared some code for you guys. Okay, so why I am doing that, I have already written a code which is already been learning. This is a very small code, you can see that, but I am going to be with us till the end. Okay, and I am going to teach you the line by line what is the meaning of each and every line that I am going to execute and to download it. So first of all, there are some prerequisites that you need to follow. Prerequisites are, you need to have Python installed on a local system more than 3.9 version. you need to have OpenCV Python installed more than version 3, and then you need to have a camera attached to your system. Okay, and at least have 2 GB of memory, 1 core CPU, and that's all that we need to do. Okay, so let's run this file. Let's import to install these following things. You can let's install this one by one. So pip to install the OpenCV Python, you need to do this, and let me write this here. Okay, I have already installed it, so it's going to say that it's no requirement, but yeah. And then I'm going to import CV2. Okay. First of all, we also need to download the pre-trained model. Pre-trained model you can find here. There are 2 pre-trained models that we are going to use. One is this, and the second is this model. Okay, these are 2 models that we are going to use. Pre-trained model, I have already downloaded them, but you can go there and download by yourself. Okay, they are not very okay. Here it is, the data. There is a file here, this the another file. They are very small, by the way. They are only around 980 KB, so you don't need too much space to store them. And then we are going to load them. We have already let's load them. So we are going to just copy and paste because to save us some time. So here I am loading the first model, which is Haar Cascade. Okay, and then I'm going to use another model called Haar Cascade, because we are going to detect 2 things: face and the eye. That's all. Then we are going to open the camera. CV2. And then we are going to let's just run this. Okay, nothing happened. CV2 open, CV2 wait. Okay. Okay, and then we are going to, it will open the camera and it will just do nothing. But okay, then we are going to do a loop, like while loop forever until our things is running. So to do that, we are going to use this thing called, and then we are going to read the capture by frame. Okay, so we are going to do that. Return image cap. Okay, and then we are going to grayscale that image. Okay, because the model that because what is the grayscale? So grayscale means just meaning that making a color image to black and white. Why? Because to identify something in a black and white medium, it's very simple than a color image. Because then because if you because the thing is if you need to train your model, you need if you are that model requires to be very huge and like maybe 200 GB of something, because and but in the case of color coding it's very small. That's the only it's required. And also this data is only trained on grayscale, so that's why. And to grayscale we have to do that CV2 CV3 color. Let's copy paste this. Okay, and then we are going to detect the faces from that gray image, regular image. Okay, so we call it, to do that we are going to do this. This is just minimum and maximum number that it can have, and that way. And then let's just print that. Okay, do nothing, it will just print that. Before that I need to do this because it will run forever. I don't want to do that. And okay, and let's print it. And see, it is going to print forever. There. And when I'm not looking into the camera, it is, see? Why? Because I have two things. I have two cameras. One is my computer laptop and another is my mobile camera. In one computer I am using two cameras. One is using to record the video, another is to record this camera. So if I am logging into that camera, it is going to show the numbers. See, we can use that number to show the images. That's me. So meaning that it is able to detect the numbers and it is able to show the location of that thing in that particular image. Okay, we are going to do the very simple thing. We are going to use this number. Use this. This is called multi-dimensional array. We are going to use this array to draw the rectangles of the faces of that joint and see ourselves. That's the only thing we are going to do that. Just compare this. Then we are going to show the image. Okay. That's the only thing that is required. So let me show you what it is. So it is detecting the spaces. In that spaces, it is, and then it is extract those values into these four variables called x, y, w, h. X, y, w, h are the four variables that requires to draw the faces. And to draw the rectangles, we need to do the logic. These are called detect multi-scale return value. Let's read this. It is going to so it is going to return the top, right, bottom and left. Top, right, bottom, left. Say top, right, bottom, left, and then we can, based on that, we can just go there and calculate the rectangles. Okay, we are going to do that here. Then we are going to do this here, and then detect multi-scaling here. And for that we are going to also for the eyes. It is for the faces. It is for the eyes, and then it is for the faces. We are doubling down that, and then we are showing that image again and again and again. So yeah, let's do this. So let me show. See. This is showing the what I told you. This is not 100% accurate, but yeah. So let me give you an example. If it is not going to detect 100%. Okay. If I move myself here and move myself here, it is not going to detect. It is going to detect only if I am looking into the camera. Okay. That's all for guys. If you need 100% explanation, let me know, and yeah, do comment, like, share, subscribe. Thank you.